This is the Stacking Cups set by Loulou Lollipop. It's in the color Classic. This is a set of little silicone cups that can be stacked into a little tower, or the cups can be nested into one another for easy storage and transport, which is great. So the first one here, we've got a little star, a little lightning bolt, little rain cloud, moon and stars, rainbow, sun, and then a little elephant here. And so each of these can be nested into one another. Like so. And you'll notice that this smallest cup, it is pretty small. It does have a little hole at the bottom. This one here. And that is the Stacking Cup set.